Dear students, in this video lesson, you all learn about the explanation of the factors affecting on the adsorption of gas on solids. The factors are nature of adsorbate, nature of adsorbent, surface area of adsorbent, temperature, pressure, activation of the solid. How to select the nature of the adsorbate? The adsorbate should be what? The finally divided substances. Why they select the finally divided surfaces adsorbate? Because the surface area forms more. The surface area increases the number of the active centers. Nature of adsorbent. Nature of adsorbent should be a large surface area. Next, the effect of temperature on the adsorption. Adsorption is an exothermic process that involving the equilibrium. The gas get adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent and it will easily get dissolved. That is the physisorption. Means a gas adsorbed on the solid plus heat energy will get released. That is called the exothermic process. According to the Le-Chatelier's principle, increases in the temperature then decreases in the adsorption because heat energy release is nature of adsorbate. In case of the adsorption of gas by solids, it has been found that more easily liquefiable gases and they are highly water soluble gases. They are get adsorbed more readily due to the greater van der Waals forces. So the nature of the adsorbate should be what? They are more easily liquefiable and highly water soluble gases. Hence, ammonia, hydrogen chloride, chlorine and sulfur dioxide, they are more adsorbed than the hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen. In physical adsorption, the extent of adsorption may depend upon the boiling point of the gases. The gases are adsorbed on the solid more readily than the liquids. In physical adsorption, the weak forces of attractions, van der Waals forces are present. The gas present with help of the physical adsorption is weak. There is a force of interaction between the adsorbate and adsorbent molecules are the weak. Nature of adsorbent. Since the adsorption is a surface phenomena, the adsorption increases with increases in the surface area of the adsorbent. More finely divided or the rougher the surface of an adsorbent, the greater will be the surface area of the adsorption. Hence, the greater will be the adsorption. Metal catalyst in the finely divided forms, in the colloidal forms, in the rougher surface area, activated adsorbent, they provides the more surface area. Because the more the surface area, more will be the adsorption phenomena. In chemisorption is preferential and more specific one. A gas will be chemisorbed on the given solid only if it can provide large surface area. For example, hydrogen gas is adsorbed by the nickel but not by the iron. The chemical nature of the adsorbent should be such that they can cause the chemisorption on the adsorbent because iron can form the oxide layer on the surface of the metal. They can be chemisorbed on the given solid. Only they can provide the large surface area there. Pressure. The pressure is one of the factors that affect the adsorption. How it affects? When a gas is adsorbed on the surface of the adsorbent, there is a decrease in the volume of the adsorbent. How? Take one vessel. In that is a closed vessel. Then that closed vessel is pushed with the help of the force. Then the volume of the volume of the container that containing the gas molecules or any other liquid molecules, the volume will get decreases. Whenever the volume decreases, then the nature of the adsorbate should occupies on the surfaces only. There the process of the adsorption is more there, because the accumulation of the gas particles on the surface of the adsorbent should be more there because of the pressure. The pressure of the gas molecules that will going to stick on the surface. Thus, by the Le-Chatelier principle, if the temperature is kept constant, the quantity of gas adsorbed by the metal adsorbent increases with increases in pressure. Adsorption is directly proportional to the pressure of a gas over a limited range of the pressure. Next factor is temperature. Adsorption is an exothermic process. Whenever the molecules allow to stick on the surfaces, from that surfaces amount of energy get released, heat released, means the process is exothermic. Hence, according to Le-Chatelier's principle, at a given pressure, low temperature favors the adsorption process. If the temperature is increased, the adsorbate molecules get removed from the adsorbent, and this process is called the desorption process. Whenever we heat the surfaces, the molecules are allowed to stick on the surfaces. The adsorbate molecules get dissolved from the surfaces. Means whenever the temperature will increases, then the nature of the desorption takes place. Means low temperature favors the adsorption process. Thus, the adsorption is always inversely proportional to the temperature. Whenever the temperature increases, the adsorption decreases. So, this is true for the physical adsorption. In chemical adsorption, due to the high energy of the activation, the extent of adsorption increases initially and decreases as the temperature increases